Hello, young explorers! A great journey inside the lives of some amazing birds is about to begin. Birds all have distinct characteristics that allow us to identify them, irrespective of their size, color, or shape. Now let's set out on our adventure. 1. Mallard. Mallard ducks typically inhabit areas with water, such as ponds, streams, and rivers. They are also referred to as waterfowl. Depending on the species and with proper care, ducks have a 20-year lifespan. Daylight has an effect on egg production. Due to their omnivorous nature, ducks will consume a variety of foods, including fish, crustaceans, aquatic plants, grass, insects, and seeds. Ducklings younger than 10 days tend to swim and walk as a group, always close to their mother, to avoid the attack of predators. They can live up to 20 years, depending on the species and if well cared for. When there is more daylight, the ducks will lay more eggs. The mother duck will keep her brood of ducklings together to protect them from predators. 2. Great blue heron. In North America, the great blue heron is the biggest and most common type of heron. This bird is huge, with a slate-gray body, accents of black and chestnut, and exceptionally long neck and legs. Standing 3 to 4 feet tall, great blue herons are extremely tall. The unique feathers on the chest of great blue herons are constantly growing and fraying. With a fringed claw on their middle toes, the herons comb this powder down, using it as a washcloth to remove oils and 3. Eurasian teal. The Eurasian teal, also known as the common teal or Eurasian green-winged teal, Anas creca, is a common and widely distributed duck that nests in temperate Europe and migrates south during the winter. The Eurasian teal is a relatively small duck, with a body length of about 12 to 15 inches. In most regions of the UK and Ireland, grey wagtails are year-round residents. In other parts of the UK, such as Scotland, they are winter visitors, coming from coastal areas of Yorkshire, down through East Anglia, and much of Kent. The majority of a grey wagtail's diet consists of aquatic insects and invertebrates, such as flies, beetles, crustaceans, and mollusks, which are found in and around rivers and streams. They are not accustomed to eating items like peanuts and sunflower hearts from F. In most regions of the UK and Ireland, grey wagtails are year-round residents. In other parts of the UK, such as Scotland, they are winter visitors, coming from coastal areas of Yorkshire, down through East Anglia, and much of Kent. The majority of a grey wagtail's diet consists of aquatic insects and invertebrates, such as flies, beetles, crustaceans, and mollusks, which are found in and around rivers and streams. They are not accustomed to eating items like peanuts and sunflower hearts from F. 6. Common murre. The common murre is a huge auk that is also known as the foolish guillemot or common guillemot. It is found throughout the circumpolar region in the North Atlantic and North Pacific's boreal and low Arctic seas. When the parents return to their packed cliff ledges, all this variety might help them recognize their own egg, which has a unique shape. It is quite large and spherical at one end and narrow, almost pointed at the other end. 7. Common terns. They are also called as sea swallow and has a broad distribution area, but human interference due to increased recreational activities, naturally occurring fluctuations in water levels that flood their nest sites, habitat loss from coastal construction, erosion, pollution, and invasive plants at nesting locations poses a threat to the colonies. The common tern typically drinks while in the air, gliding with its wings slightly elevated and repeatedly dipping its bill into the water. When it is incubating, a common tern will fly away from the nest to relieve itself at a distance of 5 to 50 meters, 16 to 160 feet, either in nearby water or on another tern's territory. 8. Northern Gannet. The northern gannet can reach incredible speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour when diving towards the ocean like an arrow. Their sternums are very powerful since their bodies are designed to endure impact. Although 10 to 20 meters above sea level is more typical, they may detect prey as high as 45 kilometers above the surface. In the wild, northern gannets live for approximately 35 years. Large sharks, seals, white-tailed eagles, and bald eagles have occasionally seen capturing adult northern gannets. Gulls, ravens, ermines, and red foxes are other predators that could harm chicks or eggs. 9. Black skimmers. The lower and upper mandibles of newborn black skimmers are both the same length. The black skimmer is the sole species of skimmer found in the Americas. There are 3 other species worldwide. Both male and female black skimmers incubate the eggs. In addition, both parents feed and care for the nestlings. Black skimmers are most active at dawn and dusk. Large, vertically directed pupils like toucans are a distinctive feature of black skimmers among other birds. 10. Black Guillemot, also referred to as the sea pigeon, is an Arctic marine alcid that prefers shallower inshore seas for its feeding habitat. North America is home to 2 of the 5 subspecies of black guillemots worldwide. This seabird uses its sharp claws and swinging wings to climb vertical granite formations. Ducking into the water, pigeon guillemots consume fish and crustaceans. Today, we have encountered even more amazing birds, each with unique characteristics and a unique past. We may learn about the wonders of nature and the importance of environmental protection from birds. Keep learning, looking out, and discovering. Young adventurers, happy bird watching, and until next adventure, like, comment and subscribe our channel.